Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G17 Power. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search Apple keyboard. Now here you will see Apple keyboard. Select that you want. After selecting, click on install. Now wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open. Click on enable in settings. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on OK. Again click on OK. Now go back. Click on switch input methods. Now here you will see input methods. Now click on green Apple keyboard. Now click on no thanks. Now click on finished. Now here you will see install iPhone like keyboard from your phone. This is how you can install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G17 Power. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.